Have you ever wondered what sets self-made millionaires apart from the rest? Is it luck, skills, or something entirely different? In the next 10 minutes, you'll learn the 10 habits that can transform your financial future and put you on the path to wealth. Stick around, because one of these habits might be the game changer you've been searching for. Welcome back. Today, we're talking about the 10 habits of self-made millionaires that could make you rich. These aren't just tips. They're powerful practices that can reshape your daily routine and mindset. Let's dive right in. 1. Set clear goals. Self-made millionaires don't just dream, they plan. They set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Think of it like this. If you were going on a trip, you wouldn't just hop in your car and drive aimlessly, right? You'd have a destination. So, map out your financial journey and track your progress. 2. Invest in yourself. Millionaires prioritize personal development. They read books, attend workshops, and seek mentorship. Imagine this. You have a wealth of knowledge at your fingertips, and every new skill you acquire is an investment in your future. What could you learn today that would elevate your earning potential tomorrow? 3. Embrace discipline and routine. Successful individuals thrive on discipline. They create routines that foster productivity. Think about your morning. Do you scroll through social media, or do you spend that time planning your day? Small, consistent actions lead to significant outcomes. Start building a routine that aligns with your goals. 4. Network with like-minded individuals. The company you keep can dictate your success. Surround yourself with ambitious, driven people. This doesn't mean cutting ties with friends, but rather expanding your circle. Engage with individuals who inspire you and challenge your thinking. A powerful network can open doors you didn't even know existed. 5. Take calculated risks. Millionaires understand that wealth often requires stepping out of their comfort zone. They don't gamble blindly, but analyze risks carefully. Consider this. Every successful venture started with a leap of faith. What's a small risk you could take today that could lead to a bigger opportunity down the line? 6. Stay adaptable. The world is constantly changing, and so are the paths to wealth. Millionaires are adaptable. They pivot when necessary. Think about technology. Many fortunes have been made by those who embraced change. Stay informed and be ready to adjust your strategies as circumstances evolve. 7. Focus on solutions, not problems. When faced with challenges, self-made millionaires don't dwell on the problem. They shift their focus to finding solutions. This mindset can transform obstacles into stepping stones. Next time you encounter a setback, ask yourself, how can I turn this around? 8. Practice gratitude. Cultivating a mindset of gratitude can significantly affect your outlook and motivation. Millionaires often take time to reflect on what they're thankful for. This simple practice can keep you grounded and focused, helping you appreciate your journey while striving for more. 9. Give back. Many self-made millionaires believe in giving back to their communities, whether through donations, mentorship, or volunteering. They understand the importance of uplifting others. This not only enriches your life, but can also create connections that lead to new opportunities. 10. Stay persistent. Finally, persistence is key. The road to wealth is rarely smooth. Millionaires face failures and setbacks, but they don't give up. Each failure is a lesson, a stepping stone towards success. Remember, the difference between those who succeed and those who don't often comes down to who keeps going. So there you have it, 10 powerful habits that self-made millionaires practice daily. Which one resonates with you the most? Think about how you can implement these habits into your own life starting today. And here's your challenge. Pick one habit to focus on this week. Share your journey in the comments below. Your story could inspire others to take action. Remember, it's not just about making money. It's about creating a life you love. Subscribe for more. Goodbye.